Slovenská elektrárne is the biggest electricity provider in Slovakia. We are making around 2/3 of the electricity produced in country, 95% of which is without CO2 emission, mainly thanks to nuclear power plants. Reliable weather forecasting is crucial. Using wind and solar power plants to produce energy means that any weather changes directly influence electricity supply and pricing.
Our analysts used to download data onto desktops and work on it manually. Furthermore, every prediction took nearly 2 hours and had to be repeated 4 times a day, which was very inefficient. We looked for a way how to predict weather more accurately and more quickly.
In Slovenská elektrárne, we didn't have this kind of enterprise integrated solutions which brings all these things together, get data, fill the model with them, and represent them in a target BI platform. That's why we decided to use Microsoft Data Platform Service. We started with Hackathon and we delivered proof of concept, including data ingestion, data transformation, and data aggregation in the target BI report using Azure Data Services, just in 3 days.
The platform consists of several services working together. Azure Data Factory copies meteorological data from servers to data lake, where it's applied to specific geographical area. Our analysts overlap these meteo informations with historical data of power generated from wind turbines in order to train predictive models. We are using Azure Databricks for model training. At final, Power BI generates a report predicting how much energy will be produced for a specific area.
With the new solution, we can now process data only in 15 minutes, and furthermore, it all can be done without any human intervention.
Our forecasts are faster and more reliable now. And thanks to this, our sales department can react quicker to the changes in electricity trading situation. We are saving around 100,000 euros a year, and our work is also smoother and employees can use their time more efficiently.